Hey everyone, it's Lauren here. Okay y'all, so I'm back. I've been MIA for a very long time. Just been having like roller coaster life events going on, but now I think I've gotten a hold on my life and I can make YouTube videos again. So yay. All right, so what I'm gonna be doing, the boys just left, so that's Daddy, Jeremiah, Jacob. They're gone to basketball practice, so I have a few hours to really tackle this house. So I'm not gonna do like a hardcore like clean with me. It's just gonna be a simple, just pick up with me, you know, just pick up life and go where life takes you, I guess. So anyways, I'm gonna just pick up around the house, maybe vacuum here and there, maybe wipe down a few things here and there, but not a whole bunch, you know. So we're gonna start off in the living room. I just cut my son's hair, so he has the little braids up top and then the side shave style. So I had to trim down his sides a little bit so it wouldn't look so crazy. So I did that in the living room because I didn't feel like, you know, being responsible. So I vacuumed that up. So we're gonna do that first.
Yeah, I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. 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 Reminded of how I met you, tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself and I just can't stop falling. These wings are gonna flap for me if I keep waiting. Keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. I don't get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? I just wanna kiss you. Well, I don't usually loves me not. This bouquet is all I got. I'm dreaming, or could it be a future for you and me? She loves me, I know it's true. Or maybe I'm the fool for you. I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Yeah, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Oh, get like this. No, get like this. Yeah, get like this. Get like this.
Soon I'm climbing all 4 walls in my apartment. I can't spend another second with my brain. Gotta get up and get out, but there's a problem. Every time I go outside, I see your face. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side, all day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright, we gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone, still missing you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone, still missing you. Where you at, where'd you go, babe? Can't you see that I need company? I'm losing it, losing my way. Only get through when it's you plus me. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Honestly, can't you just call me? Where you at, where'd you go, babe? Let me fix my mistakes. Wish you could be here right now, lay here by my side, all day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright, we gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way, yeah. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone, still missing you. It's been a month
Clean up, Yall.
Huh?
Clean up.
Okay. There's trash stuff over there. You stay back. I told you not to come over, not to come near me.
Hope y'all enjoyed this video today. If you have any ideas, like I always say, just put them down in the comments below. Hopefully I'll be able to do a new house tour soon because there's been a few updates, nothing like structural, just more decor. So hopefully I can remember to record all of that and just show you a little bit more of my life. So if you like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, right?
Yeah, and jump for our videos.
And jump for our videos. All right, bye guys.
Bye.